Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Roblox not loading assets. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to go open your web browser and then log into your Roblox account. So make sure that you are using a Chrome, okay? And then tap on the three dots here and then click on settings. Okay, here at the search bar, you just are going to type out DNS and then click on security. Okay, that's right. And then scroll down until you see this advanced options. So you will just have to select this, and on the custom, just click on Google Public DNS. Okay, so after that, just exit this one and then navigate to your search bar at the bottom of your screen and then search for run. Okay, so just tap on this, you'll be able to see this. So you just had to tap on your Wi-Fi connection. So this one, right click this and then click on properties. So that's right. So here you will have to select this one, okay, and then click on properties. Now select this option. They use the following DNS server addresses. So just have to type out this, the 8888 and the 8844, and then right after that, just click on OK. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.